Hi guys, today we are learning how to restore your Duolingo streak. First, unlock your phone and open the Duolingo app. Once the app loads, look at the top left corner where you'll see the course icon along with the fire icon. The fire icon represents your current learning streak. Tap on it to continue. After tapping the fire icon, you'll be taken to your streak page. Here you'll be able to see your current streak, along with a calendar showing your learning history. This section lets you check whether your streak is active or has already been lost. Review the information before trying any recovery options. If you're trying to restore a streak, one method some users discuss online is enabling airplane mode first. After that, open your phone's date and time settings and manually adjust the date. Once you've finished, turn airplane mode off and check Duolingo again. Keep in mind that this method is not officially supported and may not work on current versions of the app. If Duolingo offers a streak restoration option on your screen, simply follow the prompts provided in the app. Depending on your account, you may be able to restore your streak using available streak repair features. This is the most reliable method when the option appears. Once completed, your streak should be restored if you're eligible. And that's how you can try to restore your Duolingo streak. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.